Hello friends, today topic is how to add caution money in your GEM account. First of all, as I have already opened one of my GEM account, from here you can update or whatever you can say, you can manage your caution money balance into your GEM account. First of all, we will go to the dashboard, click to manage caution money account. Here as I have already chosen the Axis Bank. Most of my friends asked me they having account in the different bank, how can they pay caution money from their desired bank? So for that only I'm just making this video. Like as I have chosen the Axis Bank, initially whenever you just click over here, you will find only three bank which will be visible. One Axis Bank, second is ICICI Bank, and third one is the HDFC Bank. Here I have chosen the Axis Bank. Okay, so after choosing Axis Bank, as we have as we are seeing that the threshold limit is 5,000 and the available balance is 0. So we need to update the balance. Afterwards, this 5,000 will reflect over here. Now let's start. First of all, we will just click this button, add fund and view statements. Is it? We will come to the next tab. See here also we can see the Axis Bank page is open. Here three tab is showing. One is add fund, download challan, and third one is the view account statements. In this, our first priority is to add the fund. Okay, so click it over here. Enter the amount. See, one more thing I would like to tell you. As we see the bottom part of this, the payment transaction history, here it's showing a remark like I have already tried it on 13th April, like today itself, and it hasn't been paid, so it's showing remark in process oblique pending. The same thing I am trying to do it again. So here I have just entered the 5,000 amount, then click it pay. Okay, so in this we have to take this term and condition, like we are clicking this to accept all the term condition as given by the GEM. Now go to the, like if I don't have in the Axis Bank account, like pay at Axis Bank account corporate, pay at Axis Bank retail, I have another bank account. uh, in that condition we will click on other bank. You can see like I have an account in Canara Bank net banking. I have chosen, then enter your contact details, your email ID, okay, then pay now. Here on 5,000, 11 rupees additional charge is deducted from your account. That is the commission on that 5,000. Here I am logging my Canara Bank account. Here also you can go to the different bank like as we have seen in the previous tab. the amount is deducted from my account, and here we can see fund added successfully in your account. See, bottom of this page we can find like transaction ID amount 5000, the date 13th April 2021, status is a success. Okay, and here if you see the remark here, it will show success. It means this fund is added to your gem account. See, once again we will just find out like the available balance is 0, it's showing. Once we update the balance, see, sometimes it will take some time because of the website issues. You have to wait patiently for few seconds. Automatically it will get reflected over here. Then you'll be in condition to add any catalog, like it may be from the product side or from the services side. Previously this was not mandatory from the government department, but nowadays the gym had made this mandatory. See, after updating, your available balance will reflect over here. That is the 5000. So this is the procedure how to submit your caution money by any other bank. What you have exactly is it? So afterwards, you be eligible to add any products and or any services over here. Thank you. Thank you for watching.